Need to replace the battery in your 2016-2024 Chevy Camaro key fob? It's a simple DIY task. This video walks you through the process, saving you time and money. The Camaro key fob uses a CR2032 battery, and replacing it yourself is straightforward. The first sign that your key fob battery needs replacement is reduced range. You may notice that you need to be much closer to your car to lock or unlock the doors, sometimes within just a few feet, instead of the usual 20 to 30 feet. Second, the key fob may require multiple button presses to work. Instead of a single press activating the lock or unlock function, you might need to press the buttons several times or hold it down longer than usual. Third, look for an indicator light on your dashboard. Many Camaro models will display a warning light, often labeled key, or showing a key symbol when the fob battery is low. This is your car's way of alerting you to the issue. Ignoring these signs can leave you stranded, unable to access your vehicle when you need it most. With newer Camaro models having improved battery life of 1 to 2 years, staying aware of these indicators helps prevent inconvenience. To replace your Chevy Camaro key fob battery, you'll need a few simple tools. First, get a new CR2032 lithium coin cell battery. This standard battery is available at most auto parts stores or drugstores for just $2 to $5. You'll also need a small flathead screwdriver to pry open the fob case. A plastic pry tool is preferred over metal tools to avoid scratching the fob casing and is safer for delicate work. Gather these tools before starting the replacement process. Locate the small slot on the back of your key fob, usually near the keyring attachment. Insert your flathead screwdriver or pry tool into this slot. Gently twist or pry the fob open. The case is snapped together, so apply steady pressure. Be careful not to crack the plastic. Once the fob is open, carefully remove the old CR2032 battery. Note the orientation. The positive plus side should be facing up towards the circuit board. Insert the new battery in the same orientation. Ensure it sits securely in place. Test the key fob by pressing the lock or unlock buttons from a distance of 10 to 20 feet away. If the car locks or unlocks, the replacement was successful. If the key fob doesn't work, try repairing it with your car. Hold the lock and unlock buttons together for 5 to 10 seconds until the car's lights flash. Always check your owner's manual for model-specific instructions. Always dispose of old lithium batteries properly. They can be a fire hazard. If you experience issues, double-check the battery orientation and ensure the battery is new and not expired. For 2016-2018 models, be extra cautious when prying to avoid cracking the case. Congratulations! You have successfully replaced your Camaro key fob battery.